I'm Patrick Vandoorne from Kairos Engineering, and I'm standing here today in Boys Bay, Manitoba in front of our high-performance Logix ICF build. The client came to us and he wanted an R40 wall. That was the standard that we set, and that's what we designed the house around. And that's number one why we chose ICF in the first place. Not only are you getting an R40 wall here, basically concrete will store energy, so the thermal mass in concrete will hold on to energy until it is released. So as you have a cold exterior and a warm interior, that warm interior will leach into the concrete, which then holds on to that. And let's say it's -15 outside in January, which is pretty average January day, and it drops to -40, which is also pretty common, or -35. It takes a while for that concrete to lose the heat before you see that loss in heat to the interior, before you feel that comfort, or it puts the additional stress on your mechanical system to keep the interior at temperature.